My name is Michaela Villacote, and today I will be discussing provide concierge and bell services, focusing on three areas: luggage handling, guest assistant, and local information. Objectives: to explain the importance of professional luggage handling in hotels, to highlight how guest assistant contributes to customer satisfaction, to discuss the role of providing accurate local information in providing the guest experience. Concierge and bell services are an essential part of hotel operations because they create the first and last impression of guest stay. These services ensure smooth handling of luggage, provide professionalized assistance, and give accurate local information that enhance guest satisfaction. A well-trained concierge and bell service are not only offers efficiency in handling baggage, but also builds strong connection with guests by anticipating their needs and delivering exceptional service. The goes beyond carrying luggage. It is about hospitality, professionalism, and adding value to every guest experience. Concierge and bell services are very important in hotels because they are usually the first people guests meet when they arrive and the last person they see when they leave. Their job is not only to carry luggage but to make sure guests feel welcomed, assisted, and informed. They help guests with their baggage, answer questions, and provide helpful information about the hotel and nearby places. When these services are done well, guests feel valued and taken care of, which improves their overall experience. Luggage handling. This includes helping guests with their baggage during arrival, stay, and departure. This means the bell staff assist guests the moment they arrive at the hotel, during their entire stay, and when they leave. They make sure the guests do not struggle with their bags and feel supported throughout their visit. Bell staff must greet guests, collect and tags, escort them to the reception or room, and safely deliver baggage. The Bell staff start by giving a warm greeting to create a good first impression. They then take the guest luggage and attach tags to avoid any mix-ups. After that, they guide the guest to the front desk or directly to the room. The bags are delivered carefully to ensure nothing gets damaged. During departure, they collect luggage, verify ownership, and assist in loading it into vehicles. When the guest is ready to check out, the bell staff return to their room or designated area to pick up their luggage. They make sure the bags belong to the correct guest by checking the tags. Afterwards, they help load the luggage into a taxi, private car, or shuttle to make the departure smooth and stress-free. Proper handling builds trust, ensures safety belongings, and gives guests a welcome experience. If luggage is properly, guests feel confident that their belongings are safe. This builds trust between the guests and the hotels. It also helps create a pleasant and welcome experience, making the guests more likely to return or recommend the hotel.
My topic is about guest assistance. Number 1. The concierge assists guests with special needs such as making reservations, arranging transportation, or planning initiatives. Reservation, securing bookings for restaurant events and activities. Transportation, arranging taxis, car rentals, or shuttle service. Number 2. They help with event tickets, restaurant bookings, laundry delivery, and event personnel requests like wake-up calls. A concierge assists guests with various personal needs, such as securing event tickets, booking restaurant, arranging laundry delivery, and handling special requests like wake-up calls. Number 3. This personal support gives guests convenience and a sense of care. It makes guests feel cared for by providing easy, convenient help whenever they need it. Number 4. A good concierge is resourceful, well-connected, and act almost like a personal assistant to guests. A good concierge use their connection and skill to assist guests like a personal assistant, making their stay easier and smoother. Number 5. Arrange transportation, taxi, shuttle, car rentals. They help guests secure rides such as taxi, shuttles, or rentals car for easy and convenient travel. Number 6. Fulfill special requests to meet guest needs. They handle unique or specific guest requests to ensure comfort and satisfaction. Number 7. Offers personalized service that builds guests today. They give customized attention that strengthens the guest trust and loyalty. Next is about local information. Number 1. The concierge provide reliable details about the city, tourist spots, cultural events, shopping centers, dining options, and medical facilities. They give guests trustworthy information about places to visit, events, shopping, dining, and nearby medical help. Number 2. Guests rely on this knowledge to plan their stay better and enjoy the destination. This helps guests plan their activities easily and enjoy their trip more. Number 3. Offering accurate and updated local information shows professionalism and enhance the guest travel experience. Giving correct, up-to-date local details shows professionalism and helps make the guest trip smoother and more enjoyable. Number 4. By being a trusted source, the hotel builds guest loyalty. Reliable service makes guests trust the hotel and want to return. Number 5. Offer safety tips and travel guidance. They provide helpful advice to keep guests safe and guide them during their travels. Number 6. Help guests explore the community conveniently. They make it easy for guests to discover and enjoy the local community. Number 7. Promotes tourism and enrich the guest stay. It supports local tourism and make the guest stay more enjoyable and meaningful.